So here I have some water with salt and a few bay leaves, and I'm gonna let that boil so I can put my pasta in there. 3 slices of bacon chopped, a little bit of onion, 2 garlic cloves, and for the meat I'm gonna be using this ground turkey, 90% lean, 10% fat by Jenny O. For my sauce, I'm gonna be using this Del Monte mushroom pasta sauce. I love the mushroom pasta sauce, so that's why I decided to go with this one. For my actual pasta, I'll be using the bow tie pasta. I already had this one from leftover from another time, so I'm just gonna use the rest of this. So here I have my large pan on medium low, and I'm gonna go ahead and cook the bacon first. All the way cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my onion. Okay, I went ahead and threw in my onion. And now I'll go ahead and throw in the garlic. I'm just gonna give this a few more seconds, and then I'll go ahead and remove all this, put it aside on a plate so I can start cooking my turkey. To this, I'll go ahead and add a little bit of the seasoned salt. As well as some garlic salt. Over here. My bacon, my onion, and the garlic that we cooked. Make sure you get all that little bacon juice in there. Just give this a quick little stir, and then we're gonna add the sauce. while that is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and add our bow tie pasta into the boiling water. And here I'll just go ahead and add the pasta. My bow tie and ground turkey pasta, which I'm pairing with some of this Caesar salad that I bought and a garlic bread. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you guys decide to try it out, please let me know how it turns out for you guys. Thank you and have a good one.